Welcome everybody to Talal Al Jazeera. Today I have this made in Japan 3-cylinder engine. I'm going to show you guys this made in Japan engine with turbo charger. It is 100% in working condition and almost looks like new. You can see the condition of this engine in this video. Made in Japan tag. I'm going to show you inside of this engine. You can see the condition from inside is almost brand new. Only few hours used. You can see we have this kind of engines in stock, almost around 10 engines. We will give you guarantee. If anyone need it, please let us know. Talal Al Jazeera, Trucks Heavy Equipment, Sharjah Industrial Area 3 UAE. We have maintained our record to give you the best quality, and we are not going to compromise on our quality. We always give you quality parts for your heavy equipment to keep running them for your organization. If anyone needed in UAE and outside UAE, we will provide. Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this. You can see 360 view of this engine. This is beautiful, looks like almost new. Very good condition. You can see the generator condition of this generator, it's almost new. You can see the chamber, it's almost new. Overall the engine is 90% condition. You can buy and install in your machine and you can use. Thank you guys.